Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I have an exciting Michael's grab bag for you guys. This is something that I've been calling my Michael's store like almost every single day. Like, did you do your grab bags? Did you do your grab bags? So I'm so excited. I'm skipping all my other videos that I have for you guys to upload to do this Michael's grab bag. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. So I've got about 10 bags. They were the last bags that they had. So I'm super excited. So let's jump right into this video. As always, I like to say grab your favorite snacks and drinks and let's jump right into it. Right now I got water, so cheers and let's start. So one of the first bags, I got a couple big bags that they stuffed, but one of these bags is this one. I'm so excited for it. It feels pretty heavy. I don't know what's in any of these bags, but as I've told you guys before in a previous video, that I have worked at Michael's for a couple of times in my lifetime, and it's a good store to work for, and I remember doing grab bags before. So I'm super excited to see what we got. Okay, so this one is some mini canvases, and they're 4-inch square canvases, and that's what these look like, and it's quite a few of them in this one. So these are what they look like. And does it have a price on it? It's a 4-piece canvas set. Okay, so you get total altogether in them is 1, 2, 3, 4. So I mean, this will definitely keep my kiddos busy. So that you get 4 of each of those, and they put quite a few of them in here. So here's another one. I wonder what these are retailing for. And you could just tell that they just, you know, stuck them in there, didn't even unpackage them. And they're 4x4s, 4-piece, and again, so I got like 4 of them right here. And they're all the same little designs, whatever. So that's that bag. Then we got another one. Let's open it. Feels like it's the same thing. Now, I remember, like I said, when I worked at Michael's, we did stuff like this where, like, if on our downtime, cashiers had to do grab bags, and we would stuff them with like crazy stuff and make the bags like super fat and get to put the stuff in it. So I know all about the grab bags secrets and stuff. So how fun is that one? So these ones are round ones. So round canvases, so more canvases. Again, I don't know how much they are retailing for, but there's that. I mean, quite a few canvases, and it's a 4-pack with 4 inside. So I don't know, if I find the price, I will definitely link it in the corner. Let me continue in 1 sec. Okay, so back again. Sorry guys, I threw my hair up because now I got the big ones, and the big bags have like 4 bags inside each of them. So let's get to it. So the first bag, pull out of here. Here's the smaller bag. See what this all has. Okay, color pour resin. These are square beaded silicone molds. So got those, and that's what these look like. So resin molds. Okay, that's, I mean, pretty cool. So small bag of 3. Grab another bag. All right. See what this bag has. Looks like I see one Christmas item. Okay, so we've got a mistletoe headband by Celebrate It. It was originally $12.99, and in the US, Canada, $14.99. But I mean, we got this box for, this bag for $5. So kiss me, I'm under the mistletoe. That's what that looks like. Then we got some chocolates, some bite-sized chocolate, 4-ounce bags. Never even seen this, so that's what those look like. So never even heard of this brand, must be new. So that's what those look like, and it's 3 bags of those. They say like they expire August 30th of 2022. Never even heard of that. Okay, so then we've got another Christmas watercolor painting kit of dogs. So how cool is this? This is a 23-piece set, 8x10. That's what that looks like. How cool is that? I mean, I like literally rushed over there. I called them and then I said, you know what, I'm on my way. So that's what that's really looking like right there. A couple different dogs, a corgi, a golden retriever, and a bulldog. I don't know, I'm not good with my dogs. Then we got some Botanical by Ashland. This is a 1.5 ounce bag for $5.99 of some dried oranges, orange slices, and we got 2 bags of those. So I mean, already this bag was a major deal. So I mean, some oranges to cover up smells, I guess. Then I don't know anybody with an N, but got an N ornament. And what was the price on this? This was originally $9.99. Wow. Do you see why these grab bags are actually really good to grab? I mean, like seriously. An N, but I could always change it up, spray paint this, or do something different. But for $10, I mean, come on now. Then I got a Colorology washable 8 jumbo watercolor paint set, a 9-piece set. That's actually pretty cool right there. So that's what that looks like. And then some Colorology glue, and this is marker must-haves. Some green glitter. So how cool is that? All right, so that's that bag. Now let's see, a couple more bags in here. All right, so here's another bag. Alrighty, so this one looks like a lot of St. Patty's Day stuff. So I see got a lot of this type of stuff. I really don't celebrate St. Patrick's Day, but with this cost, I mean, I might as well, right? I mean, you could do a couple of little fun things with those crafts. Then we got some cupcake liners for $2.99. There's 2 of these. So that's actually cool, I mean. And then these were $4.99. These are also by Ashland, and it is ornaments, 8-piece set. And again, you can, I mean, make so many cute things out of these, like a garland, put them on tier trays, or put them in a glass jar, whatever. Then I got some ribbons, $3.99, and yeah, $3.99 for both of them. And I mean, this is like the same type of ribbon that you could find at Dollar Tree for $1.25. But I mean, we got this whole bag for $5. That's not bad at all. And then that's what those look like. Or did I show like that? Okay, so that's St. Patty's Day ribbon. Who knows, I might make a wreath this year. Then we got some Valentine's Day stuff. This is a table cover. Oh, okay. Valentine's Day table cover. Ideal for a backdrop or a tablecloth. So that's pretty cool. This is 54 inches by 108. So that's pretty big. And I don't know, I might use it for a backdrop, right? And it was originally $3.99. So here's the price point right there. And in Canada, it's $5.99. Super cute. Then we got some cups. This is $3.99 and $5.99. Again, I've told you guys about Michael's prices in the past, being an ex-employee there. I mean, the prices are a little expensive if you ask me. I mean, come on now. Spread love. You could get some at Dollar Tree like this for $1.25. Without the coupons, you're gonna pay regular price of $4.99 and $6.99 in Canada, but you know, the 40-50% off coupons, I mean, yeah, it does help, but again, $1.25 versus all this stuff, I mean, you know, I'm just saying. So here's another bag, and then we'll move to the last bag on the floor, which has another bunch of little bags. Okay, so same deal. So we got some more cups. I mean, save them for Valentine's Day or all year round. Another tablecloth. And I'm gonna have to tell you guys my total. I'm gonna have to calculate everything at the end, and then I'll put it at the end. $2.99 for, what are these? Sticky notes, and they're shaped like little, like starships and the Earth and Mars or whatever that planet is. Got 2 more of these, so altogether 4 of these. Then we got some more cupcake line. Okay, so when I was going through the last 3 bags, I didn't realize that my camera stopped recording, so I'm gonna just go through those last couple items that I found, but I have 2 more bags I just want to open up. So one of the items in this bag that I started opening up was a kid-made modern winter craft kit, and it's one kit. It's 6 and up. It has a bunch of little craft ideas and designs and stuff like that that you could do. Doesn't say exactly how many pieces like all together, but it does say everything that is included. So that's what that looks like. It doesn't give a price point on that, so that's what that guy looks like. Then let's see, gonna open up one more bag, and then I'll show you guys the stuff that I don't think got recorded in the video, which I'm like, how did that happen? I don't know. So more of the canvas thing. So a lot of canvas. I mean, if the kids want to play with canvas stuff, they got plenty ones to choose from. You can make like little, I guess, round, what are those things called? The things you put on your coffee table. Damn it, I use them all the time. A coaster. You could use like these as coasters. I couldn't even think what you could use them for. But anyways, that's this for all the Michael grab bags that I found. But let me just show you real quick some of the stuff that I don't think got recorded. So some more of these ones are now with the gnomes, came in the grab bag. Some of these, so in case I decide to make a wreath or whatever, I got plenty of ribbon to choose from for St. Patty's Day. 2 more of these came in a bag. Then it was a mini bottle nose brush and like the Christmas thing, just one of them. A lot of Valentine's Day cups. Got some of these, which are some Valentine's Day bags. They're 6 in a bag for $4.99 a piece, 2 different sizes. Then these Creology foam frames, 12 pieces. They come with letters and then also different shapes. And this one was already on clearance for $5, so that. Then I got some more of the tablecloth, so I had like 3 of these. And then this one came in another bag. This was, which I thought was ridiculous. I mean, it's cool, but I would not have paid this much money for it. $14.99 for a memory explosion box, which the idea is very cool. So it looks like that, and I took it off and was showing you guys. So it's basically a box, and then you could open it up and explode with pictures, messages, whatever, confetti, whatever, chocolate, but just really cute. Again, I said I wouldn't pay $14.99 for something like this, even 50% off, because it was $7.99, and that's why I say Michael's is a little pricey. But I mean, when it comes to grab bags, they are worth grabbing. For $5, they fill them up with a bunch of cool stuff, a bunch of odds and ends stuff that you could use, and then, you know, you got grab bags for a great deal. So if this is not, I'm lost my words and everything. I'm totally messing up because I'm excited now. I want to see all this stuff. Anyways, basically, I hope you guys have a blessed and wonderful day. I cut through this video. You'll have the other videos up, my come with me, my review videos up as well. Also, don't forget, April 8th is the giveaway drawing. Don't forget to put Cash App if you want to be entered in. Everybody who has been putting Cash App giveaway, hashtag Cash App giveaway in the comments have been counted for, and that will be entered into April 8th, 2022. $50 Cash App giveaway for my 500 subscribers. The next giveaway is going to be 800 subscribers. When I get there, there will be another Cash App giveaway. Then also too, I have, when I hit the 5K subscribers, a PS5 brand new in the box with the game of choice at 5,000 subscribers. So I hope you guys have a blessed and awesome day, and I'll see you in my next video. See you later, and take care. See you later.